Kelly is back with our friends of Structural Systems to get a closer look at their groundbreaking work for Hawaii residents.
Job site with Structural Systems, and of course here with our friend Johnny. Aloha.
How are you?
So good. Thanks for having me out here.
Of course.
And Johnny, you've put me in so many great outfits. We of course have the neon safety vest. You put me in hard hats. You put me in safety glasses. We're going to talk a bit about that. But what do you think really sets Structural Systems apart from other companies like yours?
I think for us, it's the culture of our company and how we treat safety. We've been a contractor for 40 years, so we've really learned from our past experience to get better daily and from different scopes. We always have a competent person on staff, whether it's a project manager, a superintendent, or an estimator like myself. And keep in mind that some of our workers have been with us since day one, including our head lead superintendent. So that's a lot of experience, almost 40 years for being competent on site.
Definitely. And so why do you think that is so important, safety on site?
So what we look for on safety on site are any type of hazards, slips, trips, or any pitfalls that can occur. Any overhead hazards, that's why you'll see us with hard hats. Barricades and signage during the active job site. And anyone that comes on the job site, we make sure they have the proper equipment, hard hat, safety glasses, gloves if required, just so everyone's safe moving forward.
I love that. And I love that you guys really care about your workers too.
Absolutely.
And in this particular scenario where we're at, over in the Hawaii Kai area, what's going on behind us? Can you talk about this safety system?
Absolutely. So behind here, what we're actually doing is we're shoring up an area because we're taking out footings. Anytime you're taking out footings in a raised foundation or a post and pier, you want to make certain that the structure above doesn't fall or any type of hazard or any type of bodily harm that could occur if that were not shored up properly. In this particular application, we're actually using the micropile as well.
And so why do you think someone should choose a company like Structural Systems that really prioritizes safety? Why is that important?
It's important because liability is an issue. Anything that could go wrong, you want to make sure the contractor is licensed, insurance, and also we can actually perform a lot of the duties that the engineers design for us. We work with engineers to design an exclusive design for us to install, and that gives the customer a lot of peace of mind that we're actually we're able to perform the work because we're licensed in every aspect that's designed by the engineer.
And that's something that's so crucial, especially if you're doing any work on your home. You want to make sure it's a reputable company that's doing it right and then also protecting their guys. So I love that you're able to do that. And okay, we've talked a lot about safety, but can we talk about what you guys are doing here? Because this is interesting. We have a pool right in front of us, a clubhouse above us. So what are you guys working on at this particular site?
So we were hired by the contractor to stabilize the structure. So in several locations, the engineering design called for the micropile system, which is what we specialize in. Shore jacks, of course, to, again, back on the safety topic. And we're basically just stabilizing the recreational center.
Okay, and what made them think that they needed to get in touch with you guys? Like, what were the signs, I guess, that they were noticing?
There was sloping floors upstairs, cracks, I believe, in some areas. And just they consulted once again with an engineer, and that's where we came in to do the installation.
And so they brought out the professionals. I love it. So if people are, maybe noticing some of those own potential issues in their own home or businesses, the sloping floors, the cracking, how do they get in touch with a company like you guys?
They can call a company like Structural Systems, 808-845-2474, or they can go online at ssihawaii.com and learn a little bit more about us.
Perfect. And of course, we'll have all the details on our website as well at kh12.com. But Structural Systems, again, we always talk about all the great projects they're working on, and I'm glad we get to feature some of the great safety protocol that you guys take. Thanks so much for having me out here.
You're welcome.
There you guys go. Support local. Yeah, Brittany, we love our friends over at Structural Systems. They definitely take care of our homes. They make sure that safety is the number one priority, not just for those on the work site, on the job site, but for the residents who's going to be living in that home that they're currently working on.
That's so important, especially in communities now, like Ho'opili's building up, and when every house looks the same, you have to make sure that there's integrity.
That's right.
To each thing.
For sure. And if you guys want to learn more information, we'll have more information on kh12.com.